After a long time, I'm just creating a video related to Hugging Face AI agent, where I have created Hugging Face free program, which is certificate program, and over there I just use one template which is used for creating a AI agent on the top of their the model. What they are use as an inference provider is this qn and this is qn 2.5 coder agent, which is instruction model, and they have their free inference point, which will be called automatically within the parameter. However, I have tried to enhance other model LLM also, but for that I needed to do a lot of other changes also. So that part I just did not cover until yet. But whatever thing I have covered is related to the existing agent, and I prepare a various tools related to that, which will allow me to visit website, web search, image generation tool. These all are already available within the existing template, and I have created Odoo related code, like from 16 to 18 version. It will generate a code according to the tokens limit, whatever the token. But if we use our own agent, this barrier can be removed easily. I don't think so any problem at all. And I have created one job search tool also, which is actually a web search where it will create it. And this particular tools covered everything. And I just use gradient, which is a part of just the user interface, what it will allow me after the process of agent. And the agent is available completely. This code is completely available as an open source tool, and even I listed it in my website with the URL, and you can download it very easily. I can. This is the Hugging Face block what I have created uh, for LinkedIn job search, which will enhance how many features. So these are the listed feature, and you can easily grab it by clicking this. So this is the Hugging Face particular space, but this space, when you try to test directly, it may be answer, it may not be answer, because it has a limited token limit for that, right? But you can search this particular space, like what is the name of this particular space, like this particular part, you can search it with Hugging Face. Like under the Hugging Face URL, you can go with the space, and I think this space is completely available free. So you can search this space directly from here, and it is a GitHub repo kind of thing. So you just need to clone it by yourself. Even you can duplicate this space, you can do it in your local, you can download it, and you can enhance it. It's a completely free of code, so you can explore it by yourself. It is completely free, and it has a CI/CD pipeline, automatically merge the code and everything. So let me show you some testings what I have already done in my previously, where I have done some sorts of example where this particular part is covered. So you can see that I have list out the jobs from Odoo India. So the agent is first, as far as the it will go for the thinkable part. So the think process will be done, and then based on think it will do a action and then observation. So it is a complete loop. On basis of that, it will do the task again and again. Obviously it is a code specific agent, so it will pass a code, and inside the code it will apply the six step, which is a prefix step, but we can enhance it later, where it will list final answer will be generated after six steps of whole filter out station. So it will list out all the jobs which are posted over here within the premises. Second step, I just ask then list out all related configuration of for the taxes for. So I have used no, kind of reg application on Odoo documentation, but this is something where I have used semantic search plus rethinking search. So I have used some Google T5 model, which will use very much good way on a representation model side. Quick way of search, on that search will give me a proper good result with the keyword. So it just do that process and filter out the complete process in a kind of summarization part and give a good result. Ultimately, finally, the final answer will be a fiscal position, how you can configure it and how you can define the taxes under the Odoo. Then after I have covered three tools which will allow me to create 16, 17, 18, three version of particular code base. So this is the requirement which I put as a point of sale, and this part already not available with Odoo standard code, which is multi-currency support within the point of sale, where multi-currency support will be required. So this particular query will pass to version 18 and version 18, and it will create the structure. However, this is particular model, it may possible this model is not supervised for the Odoo specific latest updated code. So I can add a rag application under the hood of that, where I can search the related semantic search for the query, and the query will return all the related documentation of code which is required, and then it will add with the LLM with that, and then it will apply for the LLM to answer it. So that answer will be more quality oriented compared to this. So you can see that it will give me a more better result compared to anything else. So I think this is a just experiment program where I have tried to put some more parameter to explore, like maximum step, maximum token is working, maximum step, and even the this provider part. This is still pending for open, but this code is open source. You can explore it by yourself. Just duplicate it by yourself, do some experiment, explore. So everything is, and the documentation is available within the Hugging Face. So you can proceed with the Hugging Face certificate program also, which is currently holding. So what is the agent, how the agent is working, how it will, you can explore it by yourself. So that's it for the current session, and hope this will help you as an example for Odoo ecosystem, because I am a Odoo guy. So I always think about AI basic with the Odoo concept and merge it with the use cases of Odoo. That's why I just prepared this example, but anybody can think about any way. You can find it out within the Hugging Face program. Thank you. Have a nice day. Bye bye.